Today we're looking at this battery-powered leaf blower, which is one of the best-selling blowers on Amazon. But can this leaf blower handle leaves and grass, dry off your car, and scare away your mother-in-law? Let's find out. I'm Jamie. I review useful products for your home and share practical how-to videos for everyday homeowners. This channel is all about real reviews, useful tools, and simple solutions for your home. I want to talk about practical uses, how it looks coming out of the box, setup and how easy it is to put together, how to use it, how loud it is, the power, specs, and battery life, my experience with it, would I recommend it, and can it scare away your mother-in-law? First, practical uses for blowers like these. People would use them to blow grass and debris off their sidewalks, porches, patios. You can use them to dry off your car, blow out the dirt from the floor mats, dust from the dashboards. You can use them to blow out your truck beds, blow out your barn, you name it. There's a lot of practical uses for these. Okay, coming out of the box, this weighs 5.5 pounds. Comes in a nice small box like this. Inside the box, you're gonna have your battery charger, 2 4-amp batteries. You have your blower motor, and then 2 parts to your tube. Super easy to put together. All you need to do is connect your tube pieces. Basically, they connect by pushing them on and then twisting them into place, so they lock into place, as you can see there. Then you're gonna fully charge your battery. What I like about these batteries is it has a nice power level indicator. You just press the button here, and if you can see that light up there, lights up nice, bright and green. Once that's fully charged, you're just gonna slide it into your blower, and it just slides like this. Clicks into place. To take it out, you just push this button here, and you can slide it out. So once that battery is charged right out of the box, it only takes a few minutes to set it up, and it's ready to go. This is nice and lightweight at 5.5 pounds. Very easy to use. All you need to do is press the power button here, and then you have 2 speeds, so you can press the speed button here twice to get full power. So I'll turn it on now so you get an idea of what it sounds like. First setting will be low speed, and the second setting will be high speed. So it's not too loud. You could use ear protection if you want. I didn't use it for my testing because it wasn't super loud like these backpack blowers you get these days. And also because the motor's sitting down below, kind of at your belt line. So this leaf blower is supposed to deliver up to 560 CFM, which is cubic feet per minute of air volume, and 180 miles per hour of air speed, which should be a good value for this price range. So I tested this with my normal everyday blower, which is a medium duty blower. And my medium duty blower is supposed to have 605 CFM and 150 miles per hour like they say this is. So I'm not sure about the specs on this. We did some testing, as you will see, and this is definitely considered light duty in my book. I'm not sure about those specs. Think of it like this. CFM is how much air is coming out of the blower, and miles per hour is how fast the air is coming out of the blower. You want a good balance of both. All right, so this comes with 2 4-amp hour, 20-volt lithium-ion batteries, which is a good value for this price range. So a 4-amp hour battery should deliver twice the power and battery life of a 2-amp hour battery, which is common on a lot of these type of blowers. The company says it provides up to 52 minutes of runtime on low speed and 38 minutes on high speed. So I'd say about 15 to 25 minutes per battery after my initial testing and reading the latest reviews. To charge the batteries, you need about 2.5 hours of charging time. So make sure to keep up on your battery chargings, as my mother-in-law would say. So with these battery-powered blowers, the nice thing is you don't have to worry about gas, you don't have to worry about fumes, you don't have to worry about gunked up carburetors, you don't have to worry about electrical cords, dragging them around with you. The only thing you have to worry about is basically keeping your batteries charged and making sure the batteries give you enough power for as long as you need to blow. So as my mother-in-law would say, don't forget to keep your batteries charged. All right, so I got to test this out with my normal everyday blower that I've been using for several years. Again, this is a medium duty blower that I use normally. I was able to test to see how this would hold up on my property. We did several tests. You'll see that we blew a volleyball up in the air. So you can see the difference between the power of this and my other blower. This one was barely able to keep the ball up on top. My other blower was able to blow the ball a few feet in the air, so you can see the power difference there. Also, I did a couple of other tests. I blew this cardboard box across the yard, so you can see the power difference between the two. I blew 2 volleyballs, so you can see how each blower performed with blowing the volleyball I also raced both blowers by blowing the volleyball uphill in my backyard to see which one could get the ball to the finish line the fastest. And out of all the tests, my normal everyday blower did better. And that's not to say that this is a bad blower. It's just to say that this is a light duty compared to a medium duty. You can see the difference in power there. All right, so my experience with this, coming out of the box, super easy to put together. You do have to twist these on. Not my favorite thing to do. I like the ones that click on, but it's not that bad. Goes on pretty easily. I do like the two 4 amp hour batteries, which should give you a decent amount of blowing time. And again, very lightweight, easy to use. Now the power, it is a light duty. For my property, I need something medium duty or stronger, but overall very easy to use, and it does feel comfortable, especially if you're going to be using it for a long time with the lightweight. All right, so would I recommend this? Okay, so you saw the testing that I did against my everyday medium duty powered blower. It wasn't as strong as that. If you just need something to do some light duty blowing around your house, your driveway after you cut the grass, maybe if you want to blow off your deck or porch, get the dust off, get the dirt off, and do some light duty blowing instead of having to sweep things, I think this should be fine. It has really good ratings on Amazon. I don't think they mention if it's light duty or medium duty, but I just wanted to tell you that it's light duty. And yes, I would recommend it for those that need a light duty blower. One thing to note, if you want to get a blower, these do have 2 batteries, but it's not part of an integrated battery plan for a family of products. I've done a lot of other reviews where you can reuse the batteries in your blower, your string trimmer, your drills, all kinds of stuff. So if you're looking for something where you can reuse the batteries in other tools, you might want to think of something different. But if you just need a light duty blower around your house, this should work fine. For me, I need medium duty or stronger to blow wet leaves. If I want to try and blow snow off the driveway, if I want to try and blow off my car after washing it, blowing big clumps of grass, I prefer a little bit higher powered. So would my mother-in-law recommend this on its power? For a medium duty, probably not, but for a light duty, I think she would. Well, I hope this review was helpful to you. If it was, please like and subscribe and check out my other tool reviews over here, or maybe down there, or down here. Thanks for watching. Mother-in-law. See how it's chasing the one on the right?
Dad, you know, at the end of this video, we should do bloopers and like without music or anything, just like have you dancing.
Maybe. Give me a little bit of air. So.
Air the man. Come a little bit more over here. Cool, come to my left side. that was a good shot.